Hey guys, what's up? My name's Travis and we are here inside of the NRL trailer. This is a trailer that was specially custom built for the NRL so that we could go to every single match with this trailer and basically keep people in the game. And what I mean by that is we have decked this trailer out with all of the necessities, from different tools to spare parts for actions, everything that you could think of. We have it in here, all the way up to spare scopes and rings and the whole 9 yards. We built this so that we can obviously keep competitors in the game if their rifle goes down for any reason during a match. And to kind of show you that what we're going to do today is MDT sent us a complete chassis system, Defiance sent us an action, we got a barrel, we got the whole 9 here, and we're going to go ahead and put this rifle together using just the tools that we have and keep in the trailer. This is not a how to put a rifle together video, it's just simply showing you that, hey, we have everything in here that you could possibly need. So, stay tuned.